How was your weekend, everybody? Gimana weekend liburan kalian? Okay, did you have fun on your weekend? Home. Your weekends is only at home. How was your weekend, everybody who wants to share? I'm so sorry, everyone. My network was unstable. Jaringanku agak error tadi kayaknya ya. Okay, now can you hear me? Bisa dengar suara saya?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, yeah. I'm so sorry. Okay, now this evening we are going to talk to our next topic. But before we talk to our next topic, we are going to do the review first. Kita review dulu terkait topik-topik yang memang sudah pernah kita pelajari sebelum-sebelumnya. Kita coba ya. Kita mulai review dari tenses. Coba teman-teman. The questions number 1. Apakah Mr. Jess mengajar bahasa Inggris setiap hari?
Does Mr. Jess
teaches
English
every day?
English
every day?
Wait, ulangin. Apakah Mr. Jess mengajar bahasa Inggris setiap hari?
Does Mr. Jess
Jess
every day?
Okay, does Mr. Jess teach English every day? Apakah Mr. Jess sedang mengajar bahasa Inggris saat ini?
Is Mr. Jess teaching
Is
English
Mr.
now?
Jess teaching English every day? No.
Okay, is Mr. Jess teaching English right now?
Right now.
Okay. Apakah Mr. Jess baru saja mengajar bahasa Inggris?
Has Mr.
Has
Jess
Mr. Jess
teach
taught English?
English?
Taught apa ya? Mengajar tuh teach.
Okay.
Teach.
Has Mr. Jess taught English?
Taught.
Apakah Mr. Jess baru saja mengajar bahasa Inggris? Apakah Mr. Jess telah mengajar bahasa Inggris selama 2 jam?
Has Mr.
Has Mr. Jess been
teaching
teaching English
English now?
for
Okay.
3
Has Mr. Jess been teaching English for 2 hours?
Yeah, 4
hours.
hours.
Okay. Apakah Mr. Jess ngajar bahasa Inggris semalam?
Did
Did Mr. Jess
Mr.
Jess
teach
night
English last night?
Okay. Yeah. Did Mr. Jess teach English last night? Apakah Mr. Jess akan ngajar bahasa Inggris besok?
That
Will Mr.
Will Mr. Jess teach English tomorrow?
Okay. Will Mr. Jess teach English tomorrow? Apa yang kamu makan setiap hari?
What do you eat every day?
What do you eat every day?
Okay. What do you eat every day? Apa yang sedang kamu makan sekarang?
What is you eating?
What are you eating
now?
What are you
now?
eating now?
Okay. What are you eating now? Okay. Apa yang baru saja kamu makan?
What
Have you
just you
eaten
eaten?
now?
Okay.
Just
What have you
Have
just eaten?
What have you
Okay.
just
What
eaten?
have you just eaten? Apa yang
Eaten.
baru saja kamu makan? Kemudian, apa yang telah kamu makan selama 2 jam?
What
Have
have you been eating for 2 hours?
Okay. What have you been eating for 2 hours? Apa yang kamu makan semalam?
What did you eat
Did you
last night?
What did you eat
Okay.
last
What did you eat last
last
night?
night?
Apa yang kamu makan semalam?
Malam.
Apa yang akan kamu makan besok?
What will
you eat
you eat
Okay.
tomorrow?
Ya, what will you eat tomorrow?
tomorrow?
Apa yang akan kamu makan besok?
Besok.
Coba lanjut gitu ya. Number 1 again. Mengapa kamu belajar setiap hari?
Why do you study?
Why do you
study every day?
Okay, why do you study every day? Mengapa kamu belajar setiap hari? Mengapa kamu sedang belajar sekarang?
Why are you studying
now?
Ya, why are you studying now? Mengapa kamu sedang belajar sekarang? Mengapa kamu baru saja belajar?
Why have you just studied?
Why have you just
Okay. Why
Just
have
now.
you just studied? Mengapa kamu baru saja belajar? Mengapa kamu telah belajar selama 1 bulan?
Why have you been studying for 1 month?
Why have you been studying for one month? Mengapa kamu belajar semalam?
Why did you
study
What did you study last night?
Study.
Last night.
Why did you study last night?
Last night.
Mengapa kamu belajar semalam? Mengapa kamu akan belajar besok?
Why will you start tomorrow?
Why you will study tomorrow?
Why will you study tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Mengapa kamu akan belajar besok?
So,
Dengan siapa biasanya kamu berangkat kerja?
with whom do you
Usually go to work.
go to work?
Ulang. Dengan siapa biasanya kamu berangkat kerja?
With whom
Do
you
go
usually go to work?
With whom do you usually go to work? Dengan siapa kamu sedang bekerja sekarang? Dengan
With
siapa kamu sedang berangkat kerja sekarang?
With
With
whom
whom
are you
going
to work
Okay.
now?
With whom are you going to work now? Kemudian, coba. Dengan siapa kamu baru saja berangkat kerja?
With whom have you just
gone
to work?
Okay,
to
with
work.
whom have you just gone to work? Dengan siapa kamu telah berangkat kerja selama 30 menit?
With whom have you been going to work?
Okay, with whom have you been going to work for 30 minutes? Dengan siapa kamu berangkat kerja kemarin?
With whom did you
Go
to work yesterday?
Okay, with whom did you go to work yesterday? Dengan siapa kamu akan berangkat kerja besok?
With whom will you go to work tomorrow?
Yeah, with whom will you go to work tomorrow? Dengan siapa kamu akan berangkat kerja besok? Ya, ini di-review lagi biar teman-teman tuh makin bisa gitu ya. Jadi sudah sampai dengan di luar kepala lah pokoknya gitu ya. Oke, kita coba lanjut. Ya, our previous meeting we were talking about the use of passive voice. Kemarin itu sudah kita belajar tentang bagaimana cara teman-teman buat contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan kata di, apakah di, gitu ya. Tidak di, bukankah di, dan bertanya dengan menggunakan kata di. Saya review lagi deh, coba gitu ya. Kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari. Ada yang tahu bahasa Inggrisnya?
This cake
Is
made by mom.
Ayo. Oke, kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari. This cake is made by my mom every day. Ulangin. Kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari.
This cake is made by my mom every day.
Ya, kue ini tidak dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari.
This cake is not made by my mom every day.
Yeah, this cake is not made by my mom every day. Apakah kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari?
Is this cake made by my mom every day?
Okay, is this cake made by my mom every day? Kalau bukankah?
Isn't this cake made by my mom every day?
Okay, isn't this cake made by my mom every day? Apa yang dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari?
What is made my mom
What
made
is
my
made
mom
my
every
mom
day? Every
What
day?
is made
Okay,
my mom every day?
what is made by my mom every day? Di mana kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari?
Where is
Where is
this
made
made
my
made
mom
or is
by
this
mom
cake
every day?
made by
Ulangi, di mana kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari?
Where is
Where
this
is
cake
Where is
made
made
by my mom every day?
Okay, where is this cake made by my mom every day? Kemudian mengapa kue ini dibuat oleh ibuku setiap hari?
Why is
Why
this cake made by my mom every day?
by my mom
Why
every day?
is this cake made by my mom every day? Ya, itu cara teman-teman buat contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan kata di ataupun ter. Nah, sekarang kita lanjutkan ke topik selanjutnya. Teman-teman yang pada mau merekam, silakan bisa direkam supaya nanti benar-benar teman-teman bisa menggunakannya setelah kelas ini selesai. Ya, kita coba lanjut ke topik berikutnya, yaitu kita akan belajar apa, Mr. Jess? Kita akan belajar bagaimana cara teman-teman nanti buat contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan kata sedang di. Contohnya gimana, Mr. Jess? Contohnya adalah seperti ini, misalkan buku ini sedang ditulis oleh Mr. Jess. Pertanyaan ini sedang dijawab oleh para siswa. Jadi fokus kita adalah apa? Kita akan belajar bagaimana sih kalau misalkan kita mau buat contoh kalimat dengan kata sedang di. Caranya adalah teman-teman pakai to be, am, is, are. Setelahnya dikasih being, baru di situ pakai verb 3. Itu artinya jadinya adalah sedang di. Misal, di sini ada kata makanan ini sedang dimakan oleh kita. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
This food is being eaten.
Okay. This food is being eaten by us. Berarti is being eaten artinya apa?
Dimakan.
sedang dimakan.
Ya, artinya adalah sedang dimakan. Jadi kalau kalian mau bikin contoh kalimat dengan kata sedang di cukup simple. Misalkan ada kalimat is being drunk. Berarti artinya apa?
Sedang minum.
Sedang
Diminum. Kalau kalian mungkin bikin contoh sedang dibersihkan. Jadi
is being
clean up.
okay, is being clean up. Sedang dibersihkan. Kalau kalian bikin contoh sedang dijawab.
is being
Answer.
Okay, is being answered. Okay, sedang ditulis.
is being
written.
Okay, is being written. Okay, kemudian sedang dimasak.
is
being cooked.
Okay, is being cooked. Sedang diinterview.
is being
interviewed.
Okay, is being interviewed. Okay, sedang diperbaiki.
is being
repaired.
Okay, is being repaired. Sedang dipersiapkan.
is being prepared.
Okay, prepared. Sedang di-download.
Is being downloaded.
Okay, is being downloaded. Ya, sedang diupload.
Is
Is being
uploaded.
upload.
Oke, ya, is being uploaded. Yaitu cara teman-teman buat contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan kata sedang di. Rumahku sedang direnovasi oleh para pekerja. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
My house is being
Worker.
Lantai ini sedang dibersihkan oleh OB.
This floor is being cleaned up by Bobby.
Oke, nomor 1 ini artinya apa?
Kami
sedang
diajar oleh Mr.
Kami
Jess.
sedang diajar oleh Mr. Jess. Kalau nomor 2,
Anak ini sedang
diperiksa oleh dokter.
sedang diperiksa oleh dokter. Kalau ini
Kasus ini sedang
diinvestigasi oleh polisi.
kalau ini
pembelajaran ini sedang
didiskusikan oleh kami, oleh kita.
wow, udah pada pinter. Udah ya, selesai ya kelasnya ya.
Oke.
Jangan dong.
Ada bisa ya. Oke, ya. Biasanya bisa pas bareng-bareng. Sekarang saya minta teman-teman buat sendiri-sendiri deh contohnya. Ayo. Ya, sekarang teman-teman setiap orang coba silakan buat contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan kata sedang di. Siapa yang mau coba pertama kali?
Saya, Mister.
Ayo, silakan.
This report is being written by my sister.
Ulangin, this report is
being written by my sister.
apa? Sedang di apa?
Ditulis.
Oh, alah.
Ditulis bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Written.
Written. Alright. Written.
Oke. W-nya nggak usah dibaca ya. Jadi kalau kalian mau bilang ditulis, bahasa Inggrisnya apa, Mr. Jess? Apa? Written. Oke. Simpel-simpel dibaca kayak gitu nih, masih dibaca aja. Written. Nggak usah hilangin aja. Ya, written. Oke, ulangin.
This report is written by my sister.
Oke. Ya. Yang lain silakan teman-teman.
semester.
Ayo coba.
The problem is being spoken by my family.
The problem is being.
Spoken by my family.
Okay, is being spoken by my family. Okay, yang lain ayo, yang belum pada bikin contohnya coba.
Saya, Mister.
Ya.
This ball is being played by my brother.
Oke, sedang dimainkan. Ayo, yang lain.
This movie is being watched by me.
Okay, this movie is being watched by me. Boleh. Yang lain.
Our house is being painted by our father.
Our house is being painted.
Yeah.
Okay, is being painted by our father. Okay, yang lain.
The trash is being thrown away by me.
Yeah, the trash is being thrown away by me. Dibuang. Okay, yang lain.
This dress is being washed by me.
Okay, sedang dicuci olehku. Ayo, yang pada bikin contoh.
This car
is being cleaned up by me.
This car
Car
is being
being
cleaned up by
cleaned up by me.
me. Oke, sedang dibersihkan olehku. Yang lain, ayo. Ada lagi?
This invoice is being paid by finance.
Is being paid by
Finance.
finance. Oke, sedang dibayar. Boleh. Yang lain, ayo.
Apa? Online.
Yang belum bikin contoh, coba ayo, teman-teman.
By them.
Sorry?
This picture is being pictured by them.
Is being captured by them. Oke. Ada
Saya,
lagi yang belum? Ayo coba.
The team is being led by me.
Oke, sedang dipimpin. Ayo, yang lain. Yang belum pada bikin contoh. Jangan takut salah. Coba dulu. Ayo, yang belum pernah pada nyoba. Jangan takut salah. Oke, the meat is being eaten. Oke. This game is being played. Boleh. Ada lagi yang mau bikin contoh?
The key is being discovered by him.
Oke, is being discovered. Sedang ditemukan. Boleh.
Bisa nggak sih?
Ya, yang lain.
These cake are made by us.
Sorry, this cake is
These cake are made by us.
being-nya mana?
Being. These cake are being made by us.
Oke, are being made by us. Yang lain ada lagi? Yang belum pernah bikin contoh, coba. Misalnya pengen dengar suara kalian.
This bag is being used by my sister.
This bag is being used by my sister. Sedang digunakan. Oke, boleh. Ada lagi?
This meeting is being recorded by me.
This meeting is being recorded by me.
me.
Sedang direkam olehku. Oke. Ya, cukup simpel teman-teman ya. Sekarang kita akan lanjutkan. Lalu bagaimana Mr. Jess kalau kita buat contoh dengan kata apakah, tidak di, apakah di, bukankah di, dan cara bertanya dengan menggunakan WH questions. Cukup simpel sebenarnya. Contoh nomor 1 coba. Kalau kita mau bikin contoh. Makanan ini tidak sedang dimakan oleh kita. Berarti bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
This food is not being by us. Is not being eaten by us.
Ya, this food is not being eaten by us. Oke. Apakah makanan ini sedang dimakan oleh kita?
Is this food being eaten by us?
This food being eaten by
Okay,
us.
is this food being eaten by us? Bukankah makanan ini sedang dimakan oleh kita?
Isn't this food being eaten by us?
Being eaten by us.
Isn't this food being eaten by us? Nah, kalau bertanya, apa yang sedang dimakan oleh kita?
What is being eaten by us? What is being eaten
Okay, what is being eaten by us? Di mana makanan ini sedang dimakan oleh kita?
Where is being eaten
Where
being
is
eaten by
this
us?
food being eaten by us?
Okay, Ya, where is this food being eaten by us? Mengapa makanan ini sedang dimakan oleh kita?
Why
Is this food being eaten by us?
Okay, why is this food being eaten by us? Ya, kurang lebih seperti itu. Coba. Tadi teman-teman yang sudah pada bikin contoh, coba sekarang lengkapi ke dalam contoh tidak, apakah, bukankah, dan bertanya dengan menggunakan WH questions. Siapa yang mau coba dulu?
Tidak apakah.
Ayo, tidak apa? Ya, dari sedang di, tidak sedang di, apakah sedang di, bukankah sedang di. Ayo, dan
Pakai
bertanya.
contoh yang tadi ya, Mister.
Ya, contoh yang tadi coba.
Okay. The trash is being thrown away by me.
Oke, tidak sedang.
The trash is not being thrown away by me.
Apakah sedang?
Is the trash being thrown away by me?
Bukankah sedang?
Isn't the trash being thrown away by me?
Oke, apa yang sedang dibuang olehku?
What is the trash being thrown away
What
by me?
is?
What is the trash
Lah.
being thrown?
What is being thrown away by me? Apa yang sedang dibuang oleh?
Oh, yes. What is being thrown away by me?
Oke. Ya, kemudian di mana sampah itu sedang dibuang olehku?
Where is the trash being thrown away by me?
Oke. Ya, kemudian mengapa sampah itu sedang dibuang olehku?
Why is the trash being thrown away by me?
Oke, very good. Next, who wants to try again? Siapa lagi yang mau coba, yuk?
Saya Mister,
Ayo, coba.
tadi kalimatnya the problem is being spoken by my family.
Oke.
Negatifnya the problem isn't being spoken by my family.
Oke, apakah?
Apakah isn't being is the problem being spoken by my family?
Bukankah?
Isn't the problem being spoken by my family?
Oke, apa yang sedang di?
What is being spoken by my family?
Oke, di mana di sedang di?
Where is being di mana? Where is being spoken the
Where
problem?
is the problem?
Where is the problem being spoken by my family?
Oke, mengapa?
Why is the problem being spoken by my family?
Oke, very good. Next, who wants to try?
Saya Mister.
Yo, coba.
This dress is being washed by me.
Tidak sedang?
This dress is not being washed by me.
Apakah sedang di?
Is this being washed by me? Is this dress being washed by me?
Bukankah?
Isn't this dress is being washed by me?
Is-nya satu aja di awal.
Oh,
Isn't
this dress being washed by me?
Oke, apa yang sedang dicuci olehku?
What is being washed by me?
Di mana sedang dicuci?
Where is this dress is being washed by me?
Where is this dress being washed by me?
Where is this dress being watched by me? Okay.
Mengapa?
Why this dress is being washed by me?
Why is this
Why
dress?
is dress being washed by me?
Oke, yuk siapa lagi yang mau coba?
Saya Mister.
Yuk.
This ball is being played by me.
This ball is being played by me. Oke, tidak sedang di.
This ball is not being played by me.
Oke. Apakah sedang di?
Is this ball being played by me?
Is this ball being played by me? Oke. Apa yang sedang dimainkan olehku?
What is being played by me?
Oke. Di mana bola ini sedang dimainkan olehku?
Where is this ball being played by me?
Oke. Kemudian mengapa?
Why is this ball being played by me?
Oke. Very good. Who wants to try again? Yang belum pada coba, yo.
Saya boleh, Sir.
Yo.
Sentence is this cake is being made by us.
This cake is being made by us. Oke. Tidak sedang di.
This cake isn't being made by us.
Oke. Kemudian, apakah sedang di?
Is this cake being made by us?
Apakah sedang di? Bukankah sedang di?
Isn't this cake being made by us?
Being. Beingnya mana?
Oh ya, isn't this cake being made by us?
Oke. Apa yang sedang dibuat oleh kita?
What is being made by us?
Oke. Di mana? Sedang
Where?
di.
Where is this cake being made by us?
Oke. Kemudian mengapa sedang di?
Why is this cake being made by us?
Oke. Who wants to try again? Yang belum pada coba silakan. Yo, coba. Yo.
This picture is being painted by them.
Sorry, this picture is being
Painted by them.
painted. Oke, by them. Tidak sedang di.
This picture is not being painted by them.
Apakah sedang di?
Is this picture being painted by them?
Bukankah sedang di?
Isn't this picture being painted by them?
Oke, apa yang sedang di?
What is being painted by them?
Oke, di mana sedang di?
Where is this picture being painted by them?
Oke, mengapa sedang di?
Why is this picture being painted by them?
Oke, anyone else who wants to try?
Saya
Come
Mister.
on. Ya, coba.
This movie is watched by me. This movie
Ulang.
is
This movie
watched by me.
is being
Is
watched.
being watched by me.
Oke, tidak sedang di.
This movie is not being watched by me?
Apakah sedang di?
Isn't this movie watched by me?
Isn't this movie being watched by me? Apa yang sedang ditonton olehku?
What movie? What is being watched by me?
Oke, di mana film itu sedang ditonton olehku?
Where is this movie watched by me?
Being.
Yeah. Where is being movie watched by me?
Where is this movie being watched by me? Oke. Mengapa film ini sedang ditonton olehku?
Why is being watched? Why is being watched by me?
Okay, yeah. Why is this movie being watched by me? Mengapa film ini sedang ditonton olehku? Ada lagi yang mau bikin contoh?
Saya, Mister.
Coba, ayo.
My brother is being interviewed by my mom.
Okay, my brother is being interviewed. Sedang diinterview. Tidak sedang diinterview?
My brother isn't being interviewed by my mom.
Okay. Apakah sedang di?
Is my brother being interviewed by my mom?
Bukankah sedang di?
Isn't my brother being interviewed by my mom?
Siapa yang sedang diinterview oleh ibuku?
Who is being interviewed by my mom?
Oke, di mana saudaraku sedang diinterview oleh ibuku?
Where is my brother being interviewed by my mom?
Mengapa sedang diinterview?
Why is my brother being interviewed by my mom?
Oke, very good. Ada lagi yang mau coba, silakan. Ada nggak? Is there? Oh, coba.
This milk is being drank by me.
This milk is being drunk by me.
Yeah. This milk is not being drank by me.
Drunk, bacanya drunk ya.
Drunk. Drunk.
Drunk, drunk. Oke. Ya, kemudian kalau apakah sedang?
Is this milk?
Apakah? Ayo, is this milk? Coba your mic, sister. Is this milk? Hello, sister, coba nyalain mic-nya lagi.
Oh ya, mohon maaf kepencet. Mohon maaf, Mister.
Ya,
Is this milk being drank by me?
Being drunk by me. Okay. Is this milk being drunk
by me? This drunk.
Okay.
Drunk. Salah nggak ya, Mister? Drunk.
Drunk, bacanya.
Drunk.
Bacanya drunk.
Drunk.
Oke.
Ya.
Apa yang sedang diminum olehku?
What is being drunk by me?
Okay. What is being drunk by me? Di mana sedang di?
Where is Where is this milk being drunk by me?
Oke. Ya, mengapa sedang di?
Why is this milk being drunk by me?
Oke, very good. Ada lagi yang mau coba? Silakan teman-teman.
Saya Mister mau.
Coba, ayo yang belum pernah coba ya, silakan.
Our house is being painted by our father.
Oke, tidak sedang.
Our house is not being painted by our father.
Oke, painted. Oke.
Painted.
Ya, apakah sedang di?
Is our house being painted by our father?
Bukankah sedang di?
Isn't our house being painted by our father?
Oke, apa yang sedang di?
What is painted?
What is being?
What is being painted by our father?
Oke, di mana sedang di?
Where is painted by our father?
Where is?
Where is our house painted by our father?
Being. Beingnya mana?
Being. Lupa, Mr. Maaf.
Oke, mengapa rumahku sedang?
Why is our father being? What is our house being painted by our father?
Oke, very good. Ya, seperti itu ya. Coba sekarang kita latihan ke ke modul teman-teman ya yang sudah teman-teman pegang. Coba dibuka yang bagian cara teman-teman membuat contoh kalimat dengan kata sedang di. Oke. Nah, halaman 56 ya. Teman-teman bisa langsung dibuka di halaman 56. Coba di sini ada contoh kalimat. Laporan ini sedang diketik oleh asistenku. Ya, di situ ada contoh kalimat sedang diketik. Sedang diketik itu berarti bahasa Inggrisnya apa, teman-teman?
Is
Being typed.
Oke, is being typed. Oke, jadi kalau laporan ini sedang diketik oleh asistenku, jadinya
This report is
being typed
by my assistant.
by my
okay,
assistant.
this report is being typed by my assistant.
By my assistant.
Sedang dijawab berarti bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Is being answered.
Is being answered.
Oke, berarti kalau soal ini sedang dijawab oleh kita jadinya
These questions
This questions
are being answered
by us.
are being
Are
answered
being
by
answered
us.
by us.
Are being answered.
these questions are being answered by us. Kenapa pakai are? Karena soal ini lebih dari satu.
Sama.
Nah, makanya pakainya are. Nomor 3, sedang dicari. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa sedang dicari?
Is
Is
being
look at.
being found.
Okay. Is being looked for. Okay, gitu ya. Is being looked for.
Looks
Berarti
for.
kalau apakah maka isnya geser ke depan. Jadinya gimana?
Is this plant
Is this garden
Being
looked
for
many people?
Okay, is this plant being looked for by many people? Okay. Sedang diantar berarti bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
is being delivered.
Okay, is being delivered. Berarti kalau paketku sedang diantar oleh kurir,
My
My
package
is being delivered
to my house
okay, my package is being delivered to my house by the courier.
by courier.
Tidak sedang direnovasi. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Isn't being
Isn't
renovated.
being
Okay, isn't being renovated.
renovated.
Berarti kalau rumahku tidak sedang direnovasi oleh mereka jadinya
My
My
house
house
is being
renovated
by
renovated
them.
by
okay.
them.
My house is not being renovated by
By
them.
them.
Sedang diinterview jadi apa?
Is
being
interviewed.
Is being interviewed.
Is being interviewed. Oke, kalau para pelamar kerja sedang diinterview oleh HRD jadinya gimana?
job applicants
Ya,
are
the job
being
applicants.
by HR.
The job
Okay, the
is
job
being
applicants are being
By
being interviewed by HRD.
HRD.
Okay. Sedang diproduksi.
is
Is
being
being produced.
Okay. Ya, is being produced. Kalau mobil listrik sedang diproduksi oleh Elon Musk Indonesia jadinya
Electrical car is being produced by Elon Musk in Indonesia.
Oke. Ya, kemudian sedang didiskusikan. Jadi bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Is being discussed.
Oke, is being discussed. Jadi kalau bukankah topik ini sedang didiskusikan oleh para menteri jadinya?
Isn't the topic
being discussed by the minister. Sedang dikembangkan.
is being developed.
Okay, is being developed. Oke, berarti kalau sistem baru ini sedang dikembangkan oleh para ahli jadinya
this new system is being
system
okay.
developed
Yeah,
by
this new system is being developed by the expert. Oke. Laptopku sedang diisi ulang.
my laptop
is
Ya, my laptop is being
charger.
Oke, is being recharged, sedang diisi ulang. Ya, teman-teman nanti tinggal ke halaman 56, di situ tinggal dilanjutkan latihannya, merubah dari kalimat aktif kemudian dirubah menjadi kalimat pasif. Gitu ya. Ya, masih ada waktu 5 menit, silakan buat teman-teman semua mungkin yang ada mau bertanya. Silakan. Mungkin ada yang dirasa belum begitu paham. Is there?
Misalnya kan kita buat pertanyaan seperti yang tadi, is this report being written by my sister? Itu kan pertanyaan. Nah, kalau untuk rumus jawabannya gimana ya, Mister?
Oh, okay. Is this report being written by my sister? Ya, kalau jawabannya yes, berarti jawabannya yes, it is. Kalau jawabannya no, berarti no, ya, it is not. Oke. Jadi pakainya to be. Jawabannya kan gitu ya. Yes, it is atau no, it is not. Oke.
Kalau pertanyaannya di mana?
Di mana? Di
Where?
mana laporan ini sedang ditulis misalkan. Oh, this report is being written at my house. Ya silakan sesuaikan dengan keadaannya, dengan konteksnya. Kalau di mana berarti kan tanya tempat, gitu ya.
This report is being in my house.
Ya, this report is being written at my house mungkin. Atau at the office boleh. Ada lagi yang mau tanya teman-teman silakan.
Saya, Sir.
Ya,
Tapi ini out of topic, Sir.
ya, nggak apa-apa.
Ini topiknya dilangkahin ya, Sir? Atau
Dilangkain?
iya,
Maksudnya gimana yang dilangkain?
kita nggak pelajari yang setelah
Tenses yang
ini.
lain mungkin, Sir,
Iya,
Mister.
Sir.
Oh, kamu masih ingat di awal nggak? Informasi yang saya sampaikan sebelum kelas dimulai, pas awal pertemuan. Nah, tensesnya yang akan kita pelajari memang hanya ini, gitu ya. Ini yang sering kita gunakan sehari-hari. Jadi tensesnya hanya 6. Kenapa hanya 6? Kalau misalkan kita cuma belajar tenses saja sebulan, itu nggak kelar 16 tenses, gitu ya. Itu nggak selesai kalau memang hanya fokus 16 tenses. Jadi kita ambil yang sering kita gunakan untuk percakapan sehari-hari. Jadi hanya ini, gitu ya. Ini yang sering banget kita gunakan sehari-hari buat daily conversation.
Oke,
Gitu ya.
Sir.
Ya. Ada lagi yang mau tanya?
Sir,
Ya.
kalau misalkan misalkan buku yang ditulis oleh bla bla bla, kalau yangnya itu Inggrisnya bagaimana ya, Sir?
Nah, kalau yang seperti itu tuh nanti dibahas di bagian adjective clause gitu ya. Ada penggunaan who, ada penggunaan which, ada penggunaan whose, bisa juga penggunaan that. Itu yang artinya adalah yang, adjective clause.
Oke. Berarti belum dibahas sekarang ya, Sir?
Belum, itu materinya bukan materi dasar ya. Karena sudah saya sampaikan bahwasanya grammar yang kalian beli itu memang saya tujukan buat teman-teman semua yang memang belajarnya masih dasar-dasar semua. Ya kayak tenses ini 6 topik yang bakal kita bahas, kemudian belajar membuat passive voice, habis itu belajar membuat kalimat pengandaian dan juga question tag. Jadi memang saya batasin sekali 20 kali pertemuan yang free ini buat teman-teman yang beli buku itu untuk basic-basic saja gitu ya. Jadi kalau kalian memang dirasa waduh ini dasar banget Mr. Jess. Ya memang sudah saya sampaikan gitu ya, bahwasanya untuk 20 kali pertemuan kita hanya mempelajari dasar-dasar dari grammar saja yang memang digunakan buat percakapan sehari-hari. Lebih ke situ. Gitu ya.
Oke.
Oke. Ada lagi yang mau tanya? Oke. Ya, kalau sudah nggak ada, ini sudah di jam 8 teman-teman ya. Mr. Jess mau berpindah ke batch yang di jam 8. Ya, jadi thank you buat teman-teman semua. Kita ketemu lagi besok di jam yang sama, yaitu di jam 7 malam dengan topik selanjutnya. Oke, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Mister.
Nice to see
Thank you,
you.
Mister.
Nice.
Okay, see you.
See you.
Thank you, Mister.